All right, we got a good one here today for you folks. Bynums Welding and Auto Repairs, 7418 North Military Highway. Let's go ahead and walk inside and see what we got. All bidding is on our website, auction757.com, where you can find more information, including full inventory list, pictures, and all that good stuff. Feel free to give us a, before we get too deep in this, give us a like, comment, and subscribe. Give us a like just to show your support. Comment if you have any questions throughout the video, and of course get a subscribe button going. That way you can stay in the loop for all our upcoming videos, which we are now doing for every auction that we host. Anyways, as you can see, a lot of stuff in here. We've got tools spread all out. You've got AC tools, welding tools, pneumatic tools, all sorts of grease guns and gauges, and jacks and ladders and snap-on stuff, wrenches, testing jump packs, saws and wrenches, more ladders. You've got a strut, wall mount strut compressor, some floor jacks, warehouse fans, work lights, toe straps, new all sorts of new parts, jumping cables, 2-post lift that's already been taken down, so that we can take it right on out, load it up. Got all the parts over here for it. So nice 2-post lift. Welder here, 2 welders, both Lincoln. This one's on wheels. Lawn mowers with some extra blades. A little pancake air compressor. Here's some more tools. A snap-on, little impact, tap and die set. Smoke machine. What else do we have here? Got the lift, heated pressure washer here. Got the carbon clean motor vac. Got this mobile recycling center. Anyone that's doing your HVAC guy, this would definitely be a good one for you. Robin Air machine here. I think they said this is brand new. Has the manual. I mean, this thing's doesn't even look like it's ever been used. Let's take a look over here. Brake lines, all sorts of, you got like rubber hosing and different clips and parts. If you know any of your mechanic guys, you'll know what this stuff is, and you know how much this stuff costs. So this is definitely a good one. You got, I mean, all new exhaust, parts and battery related items here. O-rings, clamps, another air compressor, saw. It's all sorts of grinding disc. You've got fridge freezer here. Both of these, 2 of these in here. The other one is like almost brand new. They're both working. Oil filters. This is like another parts room here. All sorts of spark plugs. I mean, just, there's stuff loaded down on every shelf. You've got PB Blaster, sea foam down there. You've got Bilstein shocks here. You've got Duralash brake kits, oil filters. Nice. I mean, everything over here is, get that fired up. I don't know. Maybe the light. They don't even have the bulb in it, but turn that off. Anyways, yeah, a lot of stuff. Hose clamps, stretch wrap. I mean, you've got new. What's this for? I'm not a mechanic, but I think that's for a rear diff or something. Axle gear. So yeah, a lot of stuff in there. Come in here, come on site, check it out. All the preview information is on our website. Like I said, auction757.com. We would love for you guys to come in here. Just please wear your mask. All sorts of motor oils, Craftsman shop vac, all sorts of hand tools, shovels, extension cords, a ton of different varieties of trailer hitches. You've got chains and shackles and alternators and starters and saws and DeWalt tools and new work light and more chains and, I mean, tape and all sorts of fluids, cleaners, amber lights, mirrors, air compressor here. I think a couple minutes ago in the video you could have heard this one here, this blue one, shutting off. It was running to get their lines back up to pressure. Two of these air compressors, or three of them actually, all three of these are identical units. But anyways, like I was saying, if you go to our website, auction757.com, you can get on on there, you can bid, and you can find the information for the preview day. I would love to have you guys have a chance to come in here and take a look around. Okay, make any inspection, any kind of notes that you might need to do, take any measurements. Make sure that you need, because, I mean, for example, this is a nice set, but you can see there's a couple pieces here missing. I mean, some of this stuff is new, like this one here, like this is new, but it might be missing one little piece, but this is still wrapped in the plastic. I mean, anyways, but you got a lot of stuff. I mean, all sorts of sockets. You've got thread kits, drill bits, hole saws, AC stuff. I mean, rigid. All sorts of tools in the carrying cases. Works saw still in the box. AC. 1, 2, 3, 4 labeled, ready to go. Drills, winch cable, lock picks, more drill bits and tire irons, zip ties. Zip ties. New creeper, vacuum pumps. New vacuum pumps, all sorts of wire brushes and hammers, tool chest, new mop, gas tanks and the little hand pumps. You got more ladders here, there. Here's a back shot of that heated pressure washer. Anyways, continuing on our journey here. Sanding disc, grinding wheels, dikes, oil filter things, wrenches, pneumatic tools, nailer, toolbox. You've got screwdrivers and wrenches and all sorts of stuff. Pliers, more tow hitches. Let's go ahead and take a look in the office. He had quite the collection of RC cars and die-cast cars. So you've got your classics, you've got your Chevelles and your GTOs and all that good stuff. But definitely come in here. We'd love for you guys to come in and take a look. He's got new stuff that they've never opened. Glade, fragrance packages, different little knickknacks. Some of this stuff is might be hand carved or whatnot, but new LED work lights, some tool sets, new RC cars. All the furniture in here is pretty much going to be going. All this furniture. Nice TV there. Okay. Nice couch. Nice couches here. These are pretty sweet. These are, they're the ratcheting. Frickin' Mondo. I mean, look at that. These things are big boys. So he's got some nice tools. Working fridge, very clean. I mean, super clean. Says I think he said he bought it like less than a year, or about a year ago. Same with I think they bought the over the range microwave the same time they got the fridge, but same thing, still has the sticker on it. Very clean. Unfortunately not selling this Mac Daddy snap-on rolling tool chest, but still has quite a bit of stuff here. I mean, brand new nut driver sets made by Craftsman, metric, standard, hex key sets, all sorts of sockets, pneumatic grease gun, more tool chest, LED lights, screwdriver sets, more, obviously the furniture that it's sitting on. I mean, you name it, it's probably in here. Tire gauges, wrenches, drill bit sets, gloves, office supplies. So definitely go online, give us a peek, take a look. I think we have over 500 lots in this auction, so this is pretty big in terms of the quantity that you'll normally see. Fire extinguishers, trailer kits, light kits. So, but anyways, before we wrap up this video, let's go ahead and take a peek outside. Feel free to give me a call. My personal cell, 757-818-2968. If you have any questions, if you can't get a hold of me there, feel free to reach out to us on the business line, 757-512-8833. This is the Ford Falcon. I'd like to have this in the garage. I'll tell you what, I do know that it needs a little bit of work, but nothing that one of you guys can't handle, I'm sure. It's pretty sweet though. Clean. It's got I don't know if you can really tell. I don't think you can tell with the glare. Look at these wheels on this thing. It's got the spoke wheels. So need some TLC, but sweet car nonetheless. This one's not in the sale anymore. They have pulled that, but that's a little sweet deal there. This is the, I guess go back over this way. Here is the International box truck here. All right, looks decent. You go to this side, they actually have the curtain for the ease of access. So it has this kind of like a cargo curtain, and that way you can access the side from the side. But let's go ahead and open up the door in here. Just give you a quick peek. Now, we did take multiple photos of all these vehicles. At least we tried to. It looks like they've got a new, maybe a new piece still wrapped in the plastic there. Probably a bumper or a fender piece or something. But come to the inspection, take a look at it. We'll try to fire these vehicles up for you. What I might actually do is I might do a part 2 to this YouTube video, where we actually just strictly for the vehicles and get these things running for the sake of the video. That way you guys can see if you're interested in bidding on these. Here's the Brook trailer. Okay. I'm not going to go deep, but you're more than welcome to come in here and go deep if you want to come on the preview. But we can open up any of these doors. All right. And what else do we have here? They got quite a bit. They had quite the operation going. You've got this Lincoln Navigator. Okay. Pretty clean inside. It's got the Kenwood stereo system there. You've got the Dodge pickup. He actually has another pickup that's not on site, but that should be coming over here. Looks like it kind of has this almost like Line X type of spray in the bed. You've got this BMW here. Looks like a couple parts in the back. Forgot to give you a little video of this one here. This is the Ford. I think this was a 70. Let's see what this was. Quick shot of the dash. I think this was a 76. Got a little rust on it. All right, I have the HHR. And the Xterra. And we'll go inside this HHR. It's pretty clean too. All right, well, I think that's show you these other last, I think we got 4 more. I think we have got this Mazda here, Mazda 6. Okay, like I said, I'll probably just end up doing a part 2 where we just run through the vehicles that are running, and that way you can kind of get a better feel. But please, if you are interested in bidding on them, more than encourage you to come and take a look at them during the inspection. This is a Toyota, new headlights on it. That's locked, but they've got keys on the inside. Nissan. And then last but not least, you got this Dodge. Anyways, we appreciate, I'm gonna go over here and show you this Dodge, but we appreciate you checking out this video. Like I said, please give us a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have more questions, reach out to us. And like I said, we appreciate, oh, here's, they did move this truck, by the way. This is the Dodge, the other Dodge I was talking about. So they have put it back on site. As far as I know, it's running well. Got the tires there with the hard shell cover, CB radio. Here you go, a little peek on the inside. So it's got some signs of wear, but would probably make a decent work truck. All right, and here's the other Dodge. This is the Stratus. All right, that will wrap it up for us, folks, here at Bynums Welding and Auto Repair. We appreciate you checking the video out. Please go to our website, auction757.com, and get on the bidding. Thank you.